Hello! Welcome back to KKK by Jeng and
Ote!
dahil quarantine period ngayon pa rin at walang masyadong magawa yung mga bata, nag-experiment kami ni Otep. Nag-research kami ng mga experiment na pwedeng maging libangan ng mga bata. Ito yung experiment namin ngayon ay may kinalaman sa air and combustion process. Okay, ang mga gagamitin natin ay
Candle.
maliit lang na candle,
Yes. Modeling clay. Match. A jar.
and
Water with
water na mukhang orange juice, pero
hindi siya
orange juice.
It's water with watercolor.
Water with watercolor, pero
Orange.
kailangan lang na lagyan ng kulay para makita natin kung ano yung mangyayari. O, anong gagawin natin? Una, ilagay natin yung clay para tumayo yung candle sa gitna. Na hindi siya matutumba pag nilagyan ng water. Okay?
In the center.
Ah,
Just arrange.
okay.
Okay. Second step is
Second step, lagyan natin ng water. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari, ha?
let us find out what will happen. This is not orange. Alright. Third step is
Sisindihan natin yung candle, pero mga bata, wag itong gagawing mag-isa. Kailangan merong adult. Kasi hindi ito gawain ng mga bata, ha?
need an adult to assist you in this step. And now,
Okay, ngayon, susukluban natin siya ng jar. Tingnan nyo kung anong mangyayari, ha?
okay.
Daran.
I'm gonna put it here and
Daran.
what will happen?
Oh!
Wow!
Oh, anong nangyari?
What?
Namatay yung candle and then
Wow!
umakyat yung tubig. Bakit siya umakyat? Anong reason behind? Paki-explain, Sir Otep. Okay, laksan mo ang explanation.
Because as the candle burns, it takes up one part of the air called oxygen. Pressure from outside the jar pushes water into the jar and takes up the space that was left by the oxygen. But it does not fill completely the jar because the rest of the air, which is nitrogen, still occupies the space in the jar.
Yun daw, hindi na daw napuno yung space, hindi napuno ng water dahil may nitrogen din dyan. O, tingnan muna natin, bago ang lahat, bibigay tayo ng facts about the composition of air. Ta-da!
What is in the air? The components of air. Air consists of oxygen, 21%, nitrogen, 78%, water vapor, carbon dioxide, and other gases. Nitrogen is an inert or non-moving gas which plays no part in the process of combustion. Here is the illustration of the components of air. Combustion. When something burns, this demonstrates a chemical reaction which is called combustion. It can only happen with the presence of three things: heat, fuel, and the combustive agent. If one of these is missing, the flame goes out.
Okay!
Yan po ang tungkol sa composition ng air.
Okay, sana ay may natutunan kayo sa aming munting experiment. See you next experiment! Bye!